Is the Casio PRG-69 really worth your hard-earned cash, or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's get straight to the facts. The PRG-69 is absolutely real, not a scam, and it's shaking up Casio's iconic ProTrek lineup in a big way for 2026. First thing you'll notice? It's got a bold, square digital case, no more classic circles. That's a first for ProTrek, and honestly, it looks awesome on the wrist. Some longtime fans even thought it was fake at first, but nope. It's officially listed by Casio, reviewed by major tech outlets, and it's here to stay. So what's the PRG-69 really about? It's all about rugged, eco-friendly adventure. You're not getting fancy GPS or Bluetooth, but you do get a flame-retardant bio-based resin case, perfect for campfires and rough trips. This thing is built for bushcraft lovers and campers who need tools, not distractions. Specs? You've got a duplex LCD, so reading your compass in bright sun is a breeze. It rocks the triple sensor, altimeter, barometer, compass, and thermometer. Charges up on any light, thanks to Casio's tough solar tech. Plus, it laughs in the face of cold, works down to -10 Celsius, and shrugs off water up to 100 meters. What do I love? The display is huge and super easy to scan. It's surprisingly lightweight for its size, and the sustainable materials feel great on your conscience. Downsides? There's no atomic time sync, so you'll need to set it manually once in a while. The case is kinda chunky, so if you have a smaller wrist, it might look massive. And nope, no Bluetooth, so no auto-sync or phone notifications. Bottom line, if you're after a tough, planet-friendly outdoor watch with all the essentials, and you love that bold new look, the PRG-69 is legit, not a scam. Just not for tech heads who want all the bells and whistles. Would I wear it on a camping trip? Absolutely.